In this video, we are going to see how we can clear the browsing history in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get started. So just open up the Google Chrome, and on the right hand side, you see these three dots. Just click here. And after that, just scroll down to the bottom and click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, just go to privacy and security on the left hand side. And here you see this option of delete browsing data. Let's click here. Now you can select the time range, whatever you want. So for example, I want to clear only for the last hour, or let's say that you want to clear it altogether from the starting. And the choices that I can make is delete only history, delete history including the search box. You want to delete the cookies and other data, or the cached image and files. By default, all of these will be selected, but you can make the choice. After that, just click on advanced. And if you want to just remove the passwords and autofill form data, you can remove those as well. But just remember that whatever you have signed in might be signed out, and next time you need to enter the password manually. So what I will do is I'll just keep the settings to all of this as basics, click on delete data, and that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.